Welcome to my Blooming TV. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today we are going to be making walnut cinnamon banana bread. It's a very easy recipe and you can have this with any cold drink of your choice. Today I'm going to be using 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 large overripe banana, and 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 4 eggs, 1 cup of margarine. You can also use butter for this. I don't have any butter, so I'm using margarine. And you need a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and about 2/3 cup of chopped walnut. And then of course you need your loaf pan. You can use any pan of your choice. Okay. And here we have it. Our walnut cinnamon banana bread is ready. This is a very easy recipe to make. Please give it a try and let me know how it goes. You can enjoy this with ice cream, with a simple glass of cold water, or any drink of your choice.
All right. Okay.